Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open or log in with your TikTok account, you might see an error which is something went wrong. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable strongest network connection, because sometimes it might be a network issue. So whenever you have connected to a different stable and the strongest network connection, you just have to go to your settings app here. Just go to general here, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to simply go back from here and just go to software update. You can also try to update your software. After updating software, just go back, go to App Store, just go for search and search for TikTok. And here you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any update option or update button here. If you find, just have to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. So if there will be any update issue, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to go back if you have logged into your account and you're facing the issue. So you can try a simple fix again. Go to this TikTok app, tap on your profile option at the bottom right, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and look for free space option, and then tap on clear in front of cache. Just try to clear all of your TikTok app cache. So if there will be any cache issue or there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok cache, it will be fixing this tab and not get the issue again. After doing this, just go back from here and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your browser, just go for search, and here you have to search for down detector. Just search for down detector, and from here just open the first website. Very first you have to allow to use your location, so select allow, then open the first website here, and here you have to look for TikTok and you have to check if your TikTok app is down in your server or not. So here just look for TikTok, or you can directly tap on the search button here, then search for TikTok. And here you just have to make sure that TikTok is not down in your version or in your site. Or if you might see that TikTok is still down, so you can try it again after almost 1 hour or 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours. So just try again later. Or if you might see that TikTok is not down but it's still facing the same issues, you can try to go to your settings app here, and here go to general, go to iPhone storage, just look for TikTok app here and you just have to try to upload your app, or you can also try to delete app, or you can also go ahead to your TikTok app, keep a long press on your TikTok app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete, and it will completely delete or uninstall the app from your phone. After an installation, you have to reinstall the apps if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app. It will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.